The production problem for privacy is handled by our data privacy suite of data disclose, data redact, and data retain. But a larger problem for many organizations is actually the non-production data, where you will create training systems, testing systems, development systems, maybe a pre-production system. A lot of companies also then have a sandbox, and the data that's copied there contains all of the sensitive data. To be able to handle this, EPI-USE Labs provides Data Secure as part of the Data Sync Manager suite of solutions. Data Secure comes preloaded with the object definitions of the standard SAP data items that you have in your environment, and a number of down to individual field level integrations of how a business partner's name relates to a customer's name, relates to the address record of the customer, and all the way through to employee and individual transactions in some cases, down to the payment records. And as such, when we modify a name, we will use our intelligent transformation functions to assume the gender and the country of origin of the person that we're transforming. Through this methodology, it means that we can maintain the specific accents, umlauts, language skills, so that when you are testing your printing processes, you've still got the diversification of data that you have in production, but it's not the real values. And because of that integrity mapping, we're then able to ensure that where we update the business partner record, we also update consistently the customer and their address and the payment records that go along with those items. Data Secure can also then integrate between two SAP systems or more. If you have a standard SAP ECC and maybe a CRM for your customer management, we already understand the integration of the ERP customer in the SAP ECC system through to the business partner within the CRM system. So again, with that integrated mapping, where we calculate the value for one system, we will ensure that the same data goes to the other environments. Now, where your solution might be using BDoc replication, this is incredibly important because the replication queue will not function if your data is misaligned before the data scrambling. We must ensure that the data scrambling allows full alignment between the environments. This does normally require some implementation, of course. We have managed the standard integrations, but we find that our clients have often customized and built their own solutions. But we also find the custom tables within those environments also need to be integrated to be able to allow the same item. And to be able to do this, we have a package data discovery workshop analysis where we're able to build out and give you that full understanding of where your data is stored and then how it integrates back to the standard data model. Through that, we're then able to give you a fixed price, fixed scope project that will allow a direct delivery of data scrambling solutions for non-production.